Christmas is on. What is Christmas on?
December 25th.
So, what would we do on that day? Get presents.
Okay.
And have a tree. Decorate your house, decorate outside. You can decorate it however you want. But we wouldn't be eating a chicken because you eat chickens on Thanksgiving.
Turkeys.
I mean, you eat turkeys on Thanksgiving.
Okay.
So we wouldn't be eating a turkey on
Christmas.
Christmas. But Thanksgiving we will be eating a chicken. We will be eating at Lala's house or Nana's house. We can do Nana's house or Lala's house. October, we're going to be, I guess October we're going to be at school. November school, I guess. And then, after November, it's going to be December. So, I'm going to ask some questions about the days. And when I say